Real estate investors, if you are interested in learning how to run Facebook ads and you're sick of all the bullshit YouTube videos, like I was watching some on Facebook ads, driving me insane. I am going to break down the system, the process that we use to buy shitty houses like the one that I'm standing in right now. I'm not gonna hold anything back. If you guys have questions, drop a comment down below. I will definitely, of course, answer those. But we're gonna go into landing page, we're gonna go into Facebook ad structure, video campaigns, conversion campaigns, all of that information. Stay tuned. Let's get into the video. So what is going on, you guys? We are diving into the Facebook ads masterclass is what we will call this, because I was on YouTube today. I didn't have a whole lot going on, and I'm getting so frustrated with how agencies, how people are making it seem so cumbersome to run Facebook ads for your real estate investment business. And that is complete bullshit. So for lack of a better example, I'm going to make one myself. I know I've made past videos on Facebook ads. Literally, the strategy has not changed. The creative has changed a little bit, but the strategy has not changed. And there's multiple important factors that I'm going to go over in this video, such as landing page, such as ad copy, such as reaching out to the leads, that you must pay attention to have success with Facebook ads. Because otherwise the numbers are not going to lie. You will waste a shit ton of money and you will not have good results. So diving into it. So we are in the Facebook ads dashboard right now. I'm going to put my phone on silent just so I do not have this go off. But we're on Facebook ads dashboard right now. This camera of mine is just garbage. So I'm going to have my laptop camera, so you guys can still see me. You can realize it is me. So we have 4 campaigns set up. Ignore these other ones. These are not actively running. So we have 4 campaigns always running at any given point with Facebook ads. Cold campaigns and warm campaigns. The main difference between these 2 campaigns is the fact that cold campaigns go to a cold audience. People who have never interacted with your business. They've never seen the brand. They've never seen you as a person. So they are seeing you for the very first time or one of the first times. Warm campaigns are the complete opposite. Warm campaigns are people who have seen you in the past. They've interacted with your Facebook page, your website, your business in some way, shape, or form. They've commented on a post, liked a post, whatever the case might be. And we retarget those people. Those are retargeting campaigns. But let's just dive into this. So you must, to have success with Facebook ads as a real estate investor, you must be running video and conversion campaigns simultaneously. And you need a face and a name of someone in your business in those videos. If you do not do this, your Facebook ad results will be absolutely terrible. And if you're scared of doing this, then you can shut off this video right here, because this is an absolute must. This is, again, a no bullshit video. We're going over exactly what we do to make Facebook ads work for real estate investors like yourself. And if you follow the steps in this campaign, you're going to have great success. So first thing is first, we'll just go over the cold video views ad. And I will jump into this. Oh, that is not what I wanted to do. I'm just going to go into edit. I'm not going to show you the locations that I'm targeting just for privacy purposes. But we're going into this. So it's a housing category. You have to select that first. And as you saw before, we are just going for engagement. We're going for video views if you're creating a new campaign. So that is what you want to target. We are not running a campaign budget optimization plan. We want to pick and choose what we're spending on a daily basis on a daily ad set. We're not doing any A/B testing. So we are done with the actual campaign portion. And then we go on to the ad set. Just let me go over here. I will go into this one. Okay, so this one's called Rough House, whatever. I don't even know what this ad is. But all we're doing, again, video views, we're maximizing through plays is the ideal thing here. We're trying to get this in front of roughly 750 to 850,000 people. We're running at a budget of $10 per day. We're not spending crazy money by any stretch of the imagination. And I never spend crazy money on the cold video views campaigns. That is a quick tip for you. Even on the retargeting campaigns, we are not spending crazy amounts of money, and you do not need to get results. So start date, there is no end date. Look at this. Here's all the people that we're targeting. As you guys can see, we are not targeting anyone. There's no specifics. This is just, again, radiuses in the certain areas that we're targeting. Age range, you can't break that down. You can't do anything. And then placements. I don't think we did anything to change placements. But now let's go into the actual ad itself. So this is me. In the beginning of this video, you saw me in this exact same house. It's the house next door to our office that had burnt down. We had a house fire. Now we're using that for content for ads. And you can see what that looks like. So let's first dive into the ad copy. So do you want to see how much a cash offer would be for your house? Pretty catching if someone's interested in selling for cash. If they are not interested in selling for cash, they will scroll past this, which is exactly what we want. So my name's Carter. Again, a face and a name associated with the business. That you're a real life person, a real life investment company. You must do this. And then in whatever, whether it's a rental property, so on and so forth. Then it gives the website. And again, this is where it differs. And you guys can pause this and read through the ad copy if you would like. But where we differ is I will not push to lead forms. There's a lot of agencies out there who do that they swear by their results, that they're getting $20 leads, $30 leads, $40 leads. I could care less about the cost of the lead. I care about the cost per deal. That is what we are focused on, the cost per deal, how much it costs us to get a deal to close. That is all that we care about in our business. And right now we're doing a pretty damn good job of averages, and it's about $2,500 per deal that we get from Facebook. In some months, it's quite a bit less. So now we go over this. You can see, I'll show you a sample of the video. So then I go into, in the next 50-ish seconds, this is about a minute-long video, minute and 9 seconds. I basically go into all the scenarios we've helped with in the past. I go into where they can go to learn more and get a cash offer, and that's just our website. We always pitch a website. On every single ad of ours, whether it's cold or warm audiences, we pitch the website to go to the website to convert into a lead. We are not pitching a lead form. I have not had great success with lead forms. I think lead forms are a scam. You're going to get shitty quality leads, not something that you want. So that goes over cold video views. That is literally how simple it is. You guys can build this in a matter of 15 minutes. So now we'll go on to cold conversion. It's going to be a very similar setup on the campaign side of things. Again, housing ads, auction, we're bidding for leads here. We're optimizing for conversions. Campaign has more than 70 ad sets. So obviously we've tested quite a few different things. Now we'll have to go into this. So we just started running this one. What are we at? $62 per lead. This one's at 79. We actually just bumped this up to 30. We were running these both at $15 per day before. I just bumped them up to 30 because we are expanding the radius. But let's go into here. And this is actually one with my face on it. So again, a face and a name associated with the brand. You can kind of hear a repetitiveness to this. So optimizing for conversions on a website, not a lead form, because lead forms are shit. Maximize number of conversions. Of course, you have to set up a pixel. Would highly recommend doing that. I'm not going to get into that in this video. We are not changing any of this. $30 per day is the budget. Again, it goes over the locations. We're not targeting anything. There's 0 audiences that we're targeting. So don't worry about that. Let Facebook do that for you. Let your ad copy do that for you. Languages, I should probably change that to English, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. And then manual placements, we just place on Facebook and Messenger. We haven't had great success with Instagram ads. I'm not sure why that's not checked, but so we'll check both of those. And then I'm going to go and show you the ad. Look at that. Let us buy your house. There's my pretty face again. So do you own a house you want to sell quickly without any realtors or repairs. Very simple, pushing it to a landing page. And you can check out our landing page. Definitely type that into the search engine. Check it out in the landing page, and I'll get into that here in the next couple minutes, is going to go over the nuances of what we want owners to do, the value that we're providing. So that's all we do. This is and then sell your home as is, get a free quote. Feel free to rip off and duplicate this. Do not copy it specifically. I do not appreciate that, but rip it off, duplicate it, put your twist on it, and make it your own, and use this same stuff. You can see here that we're paying $60 per lead, $62.59. And it's obviously it's working. Like I literally just posted this one 2 days ago because we've only spent $63 total. Yeah, so that's your cold conversion campaign. Sorry about that. Now let's go into warm. So these two campaigns, warm video views or warm videos and warm conversion leads, are the exact same setup. They are the exact same setup. So I'm just going to jump into one of them just to save you guys time. You can see here that the cost per lead is a little bit more. This is a little skewed just because we had some campaigns that weren't performing. But you can see across the board that they're doing fairly well. Let's dive into this. And look at this budget. $6 per day. Not a crazy amount. This one was at $113 per lead. We shut that one off, obviously. This is at $56 per lead. It's a good one. And then we have this one, which is going to, again, model the last one that we did. Actually, sorry, you guys. Let me dive into the campaign here. So campaign setup. Auction, we're going for leads. No budget optimization is turned on. So that's very simple. Now let's go into the ad group setup. We're pushing to a website, must do. Maximize number of conversions. Data set is the pixel. Daily budget, $6. And now these audiences, this is when you will start targeting the audiences, because these are all retargeting platforms. And you can create these audiences once you have the pixel set up, once you have everything established. Then you just go into your audience creator right here on the left-hand side. You build all of these out. And it's very simple to do. It'll probably take you 20, 30 minutes at the very most. But you can see 180-day website visitors, 90 days, general retarget. And then invisible list, all that means is people who have interacted in some way, shape, or form with the business. So this is website engagement, Facebook page engagement, video view engagement, which I should actually go in here. It's not going to let me edit that here. And then again, for locations, we don't have any specifications on locations. Normally I might put like Wisconsin, because that's where we operate in. But if you're retargeting people, you're just showing ads to the people that have maybe viewed your Facebook page or website in the past. And then placements, we pretty much have everything checked on that side. And feel free to slow this video down if you guys need to. I'm just trying to keep it content packed and full, just to not bore you. Now let's get into the ad. Okay. And you can see in the beginning of all of our ads, we are trying to grab the homeowner's attention. We're trying to call out to them. Do you own a house needing remodeling and want to sell? If someone owns a picture perfect house, they are not going to respond to this ad. That's exactly what we want. All you have to do is go to our website down below, fill out the form, and then I will reach out to have a conversation. Start your no obligation offer process. Website. P.S. My name is Carter and we are local to Wisconsin. Again, a face and a name associated with the brand. Learn more by going to offer.website. And then sell your house as is, free quote, and then they can click to learn more. So that is the campaign setup. I'll show you an example of one of our warm videos that seems to be working. I'll show you this one. And you guys can view all this stuff at the Facebook adslibrary.com or something along those lines. Just Google that and you can view all these things in a little bit further detail. You guys, it's that simple. Do not get scammed by a Facebook ads manager. because what they are doing cannot be, unless they're creating all the creative for you, the videos for you. But again, your face, your name needs to be on the videos. Otherwise, it will not work out. People do not do business with people that they do not know, like, or trust. In fact, they do the complete opposite. They want to do business with people that they know, like, and trust. This is how you know that Facebook ads will work. And if you just want to run static imagery, everything like that, please do not run Facebook ads. You will dump and waste a shit ton of money. And I promise you of that. I absolutely guarantee it, because I've run ads for people in the past that do not want to have their name on there. They don't want to create the videos, the selfie videos, the easy things like this in a project, and they do not have any success. And the last thing that I'll jump into is, here's our landing page. You can see it's very, very simple. I can scroll down, and you guys saw you can look at the URL right here. If you want to go to it, check it out a little bit further, wihomesale.com. Feel free to check it out there. But sell your Wisconsin house the easy way, no realtors, no repairs. Fill out the form, whatever the case is. And then these are all informational videos. Feel free, again, rip off, duplicate these if you need to. This just helps add credibility to us as the business, as the company. I would highly recommend that you do it. More reviews, how we determine offer price, cost difference of listing versus selling. All of these questions we've been asked in the past. That's why I created a video on them. And then we have all of these things. So if you guys have questions, if you need assistance with anything, and I'll stop my screen share for a moment. If you need assistance with anything, if you have questions, drop them down below. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this content. If you guys want me to do the same exact thing with Google ads, more than willing to. Google ads is quite a bit more expensive than Facebook ads, but the results speak for themselves. A lot more investors are doing it. I just want to pull the curtain back on the Facebook ads managers for the real estate wholesale space, because they are full of shit in a lot of scenarios. So it's not that difficult. I just explained it in the matter of 17 and a half minutes, less than that, because I talked about our landing page, all those different things. If you need help, carter@carterppc.com. Feel free to reach out, drop a comment. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.